In today's episode, we'll be ripping out all the formwork to reveal our finished concrete. This process is a bit like undoing a jigsaw puzzle. Tap it with a hammer to see if it's still connected by any other screws. So we just smooth it out a little bit with the timber as we remove them. I also reuse all my screws, so by removing these small blocks, these big pieces should come out easily. It starts to reveal our concrete underneath. Here's a good example of how we clean the concrete out of the screw head. It's really important to clean the concrete off these timbers now. So far this form's coming apart pretty easily. Small concrete retaining walls we'll be reusing again on the other side when we do the inside part of this formwork. With the top section complete, we just move on to this lower ramp section. The form we've created contains the outside edge of our ramp system. Later we'll have to pour concrete for the inside edge of this ramp system, but we won't be doing that until we've built some of the block wall.
Lay your head upon my shoulder, shut off your thoughts and clear your mind.